Grandma, can I learn to pet a doggy? Please? Please? That's a good idea, little Oscar. There's a doggy there, so you never know what a doggy's going to do. So put your fingers up and talk to the doggy. Hi, doggy. Hi. Be very gentle. No, doggy. See, sometimes the doggy wants to kiss you. Very gentle, doggy. Ooh, Grandma, how did I do? That's very good, Oscar. There, say, no, doggy, no. See, doggies like to play, don't they, Grandma? Yes, they do. Hi, doggy, doggy. Oh, look. Oh, ho, ho. Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy. Hello, doggy. Oh, ho. What do you think, Grandma? You have to be very careful. They're very good doggies, but you never know. You just have to be careful. Okay, look. Oh, he wants to box. Boo, boo, boo. Ha, ha. What do you think, Grandma? Am I doing good? Yes, you are, honey. Very good. And so are you, puppy. Look. Oh, nice puppy. There, nice puppy. There. Grandma, can I learn to take him for a walk next? Please? We'll see. Walking's a different thing. You have to hold on really tight. Look, Grandma, I have 5 arms. I can hold on very tight. And I bet the doggy would like to go for a walk. Do you want to go for a walk, doggy? Do ya? Oh, I love the doggy. Oh, I love the doggy too. Thank you for learning to play with the doggy, Oscar. Oh, thank you for showing me, Grandma. Bye. Bye.